Hey, good morning, CCA students, intermediate algebra students. I got some good news for you. You have now completed the entire quadratics units. Congratulations on that. Your brain may have been a little bit on overload by the end of that unit. So we are now starting our functions unit. And the good thing is I'm taking you back to the very beginning of the functions unit on Khan Academy. We'll do the whole thing here. But by going back to the very beginning, some of them might be a little bit on the easy side. So, hey, but you know what though? You might deserve that after getting through that entire quadratics unit. So, today's video, very short. Today's con, really easy. And so let's get started. All right, so on this one, functions. Remember, functions are in the form of like g of x or f of x or g of r or g of m, or it really doesn't matter what this letter is, and it really doesn't necessarily matter what this letter is. This is just meaning the function of, so this is the function of g, okay? Well, they do that because then you could take like your x variable, in this case it's an r variable, and you can change that to whatever you want. So you can see they're going to tell you, let's make the x variable, or in this case the r variable, equal 4. So if I plug in 4 right here for r, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, and 25 plus negative 12 is 13. And there's your answer. Is it really that easy, Mr. Anderson? Yeah, it's really that easy. So let's do one more as an example. So we've got the function, t is a function of k, so if t were to equal negative 7, we plug in negative 7 for t. Negative 7 times positive 10 is negative 70. Negative 70 plus negative 19 is negative 89. That's all there is to it, guys. This should be a pretty easy one for you today. Hopefully we'll get 100% of you passing this, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. See ya.